Now I just want to eat green corn like that. Here I'm using 7 ears of green corn, and with the help of a knife I'm going to remove all the corn from the ears. Repeat the process with all. Once that's done, move everything to a blender and then add 1 liter of milk. Cover and let it beat everything very well. After beating, take a pan and put a sieve on top to slide all this mixture. Once that's done, add 2 cups of sugar, stir lightly, and then just bring it to low heat and stir until thickened. That's the sweet spot of our corn porridge. Pass everything to a container of your choice. And you can delight. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.